Well, get ready to bid farewell to those pesky intruders because the Coasteering cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner is here to save the day. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let me just say this. If you're looking to snag this baby at an unbeatable price, make sure to check out the purchase link in the description below. Amazon's got a killer deal that'll make your wallet do a happy dance. Now, let's talk about what makes this pool vacuum robot the ultimate cleaning companion. First up, durability. With its dual brushless motors, this bad boy boasts a lifespan 3 times longer than ordinary brushed motor cleaners. That's right, folks, you're looking at a pool cleaning powerhouse that'll stick around for years to come. But wait, there's more. Have you ever felt like your pool cleaner's battery life was shorter than a goldfish's attention span? Well, say goodbye to those frustrations. This robotic vacuum comes equipped with a whopping 4,000 mAh battery, giving you an impressive 120 minutes of cleaning time. That's enough to cover up to 1,229 square feet of pool surface area, leaving it spotless and ready for your next cannonball contest. Speaking of cleaning prowess, let's talk about its debris removal capabilities. With dual-drive motors, 2 independent brushes, and suction ports, this vacuum cleaner will gobble up everything from leaves and sand to that stray Hot Wheels car your kid dropped in last summer. It's like having a team of tiny vacuuming superheroes working tirelessly to keep your pool pristine. But what really sets this robotic cleaner apart is its user-friendly nature. No more wrestling with complicated installations or instructions that read like they were written in ancient Greek. Nope, this baby is ready to go straight out of the box. Just one click, and your new pool cleaning pal will spring into action, making pool maintenance a breeze. And here's the cherry on top. This versatile cleaner can tackle both above-ground pools and traditional flat-floor pools with equal ease. Its lightweight, compact design, coupled with cordless operation, ensures that cleaning your pool is as hassle-free as it gets. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of effortless pool maintenance with the Coasteering cordless robotic pool vacuum cleaner. Your pool, your family, and your inner child will thank you.